Bom dia, my dear friends. Welcome to another update of Ralph's life and nature here in the Algarve in Portugal. This time I want to announce the September concerts here in the Songbird Amphitheater. Thanks to my friends Anna and Margaret, who have been visiting also a few concerts here in the Songbird. They recommended actually the two musicians that we will have here performing in the Songbird Amphitheater in September. So the first one is Beatriz. She's a fado singer here from the Algarve. And she will come with 3 guitarists here and give a fado concert on September 13 on the Saturday. The doors will open at 5 and the concert will start at 6. And then just 2 weeks later we have Nanook. And Nanook, he's bringing blues music for the first time here into the Songbird Amphitheater. He has been performing many years at the Met Festival, the World Music Festival here in Lulé. He is kind of a one-man show. He plays 5 different instruments at the same time sometimes. He's the president of the Blues Association in Faro. And I'm very much looking forward to maybe the last concert of the season here in the Songbird Amphitheater. The concert will also start at 6, doors open at 5. And for both concerts, it's the same principle as always. Potluck style, please bring a little bit to eat and to drink and also to share. And then contribution is 20 euros per person. I will include also some wine and some nibbles. So let's have a good time. Hopefully the weather is still okay. There is a chance that it might change a little bit in September, but let's think positive. And I'm looking very much forward to welcoming you here on September 13 and 27. Please send an email for your place and seat reservations here to ralphalgarve@gmail.com. Okay, see you then. Have a great weekend. There are some more informations in the description here below. And then hope to see you soon again here in September. Ciao, bye-bye.